Well, today I got all the wheels and primer. Didn't get much else accomplished today. We ended up making a run, getting a lot of supplies. Got the paint mixed for the wheels. Picked up some more sand for the sandblaster and some other miscellaneous painting supplies. But yeah, we went to the paint store and I asked for a 75 Ford silver metallic, and we got a Sherwin-Williams color, and they mixed it up and it came out as gray metallic on the label. I'm hoping it's the same color. I guess it doesn't matter whatever color it is, it's going to be what's going on the wheels. And now for my next project, going to be putting the suspension back on. Drug all the suspension parts out of the shed. There's the copper metallic calipers. Should look pretty good on there, I guess. The already cleaned and painted suspension components and bearings and miscellaneous parts. So that's what I'll be doing tomorrow. So, later.